Hey everyone, Longacres Finance here with another update on the quality dividend stock portfolio. This is the third update since starting the portfolio, and it is as of market close on September 25th, 2020. Let's jump right into the most important stuff, the performance. But first, if this is your first time watching the series, make sure you check out my channel if you want to see the prior updates and how I built this portfolio. Also, don't forget to subscribe for future updates. The quality dividend stock portfolio is down 4.86% since inception. Over that same period, our benchmark, the S&P total return, is down 5.85%. This means the portfolio is beating its benchmark by 0.99%. Although we have given back some of our lead from the prior week, we still have a pretty strong cushion to finish out the month ahead of our benchmark. Here is a screenshot from M1 Finance that shows the value of our portfolio. The current value of the holdings is $123.44. The net cash flow is $128.63. We currently have a market loss of $5.19 and 15 cents in earned dividends, bringing the total loss to $5.04. There's currently $11.38 in uninvested cash in the portfolio. You can also see the total return shown by M1 Finance of minus 4.61% differs from the return I showed you a minute ago. That's because I use a different method to compute my return than M1 Finance does. And if you want to know more about that, you can check out one of the prior updates. Here is a cleaner presentation of the assets in the portfolio. And here is all the activity since the last update. As you can see, the portfolio received a dividend from BlackRock in the amount of 2 cents on September 22nd. Additionally, trading occurred on two separate days, September 22nd and September 26th. A total of 4 securities were bought in the amount of $4.66. And lastly, you can see my weekly contribution of $10 on September 22nd. Here is the computation for the time-weighted rate of return that I'm using for the portfolio. Let's take a quick look how I computed the S&P total return. The return is computed by subtracting the open price on September 1st from the close price on September 25th and dividing that difference by the open price on September 1st. That's how you get minus 5.85. Let's move on and cover the dividends. As I stated earlier, the portfolio received one dividend since the last update, a whopping 2 cents from BlackRock on September 22nd. Here is the updated tracker of our dividends, showing a total of 4 cents that we received in September thus far. Here is the monthly dividend schedule for the portfolio. The changes that occurred here were, in column 1, Comcast increased from 2 cents to 3 cents. In column 2, Graco increased from 1 penny to 2 cents. And in column 5, Lockheed Martin increased from 2 cents to 3 cents. Here is a cleaner breakdown of the year. Currently, the portfolio has a forward-looking expected annual dividend of $1.96. That is an increase of 12 cents from our prior update of $1.84. Based on the market value of the assets, this equates to an annual dividend yield of 1.59%, up from 1.57% the prior update. Let's take a quick look at the holdings. As I stated in my first video, the holdings in this portfolio will be updated on a quarterly basis. The third quarter end is coming up this week on Wednesday. I will run my screener Wednesday night and see if any new stocks will be added to the portfolio or if any stocks need to be removed. I will be posting an update with those results on Wednesday or Thursday, so come back to check out the results. Here are the current holdings. Sorted by unrealized gain, the 5 best performing stocks are Graco, Domino's, Comcast, Lockheed Martin, and Costco. The next 5 best performers are ADP, Jack Henry & Associates, Northrop Grumman, Lowe's, and Moody's. The middle of the pack are MSCI, Home Depot, West Pharmaceuticals, Fastenal, and Intuit. The laggards are Microsoft, Roper Technologies, FactSet Data Research, MasterCard, and BlackRock. The 5 worst performing stocks are Visa, Northern Trust, T. Rowe Price, Bank of New York Mellon, and coming in last place, Accenture. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next week.